For decades, the Ford F-150 and the V8 engine have been inseparable symbols of American truck power. Even as turbocharging, electrification, and downsizing reshape the pickup truck landscape, one truth remains clear: the V8 is far from dead, and Ford knows it. As the industry looks toward the next generation 2027 Ford F-150, growing evidence suggests that Ford is preparing a new or heavily re-engineered V8 powertrain designed to survive in a world of stricter emissions, higher efficiency demands, and, increasingly, sophisticated truck buyers. While Ford has not officially confirmed every detail, engineers, industry analysts, and powertrain experts agree on one thing: if a new V8 arrives in the 2027 F-150, it will not be a simple carryover. It will be smarter, cleaner, more durable, and more adaptable than any V8 Ford has built before. This is what we know and what experts believe is coming. Why the V8 still matters to the Ford F-150. Despite the success of EcoBoost V6 engines and the introduction of the all-electric F-150 Lightning, the V8 continues to play a critical role in Ford's truck strategy. According to veteran powertrain engineers, the V8 remains unmatched in three key areas: linear torque delivery under sustained load, thermal durability for towing and hauling, and long-term reliability in extreme conditions. Fleet operators, rural buyers, construction professionals, and heavy-duty users consistently report that naturally aspirated or lightly boosted V8 engines handle abuse better over long service lives. This is not nostalgia, it is mechanical reality. Ford understands that removing the V8 from the F-150 lineup entirely would risk alienating its most loyal customers, especially as competitors quietly explore V8 continuations of their own. The pressure that forced Ford to rethink the V8. The V8 has faced relentless pressure over the last decade: emissions regulations, fuel economy standards, and corporate average fuel economy (CAFE) rules pushed automakers towards smaller engines and electrification. Ford responded with EcoBoost, hybrids, and EVs, but those solutions do not fully replace the V8 for every buyer. Experts point out that the biggest challenge wasn't power, it was efficiency and emissions under real-world use. Traditional V8s struggled to meet future standards without sacrificing output or reliability. That reality forced Ford to make a decision: let the V8 fade away or reinvent it completely. Everything we're seeing suggests Ford chose reinvention. So, is this a brand new V8 or just a heavily redesigned one? Industry insiders believe the 2027 F-150 V8 will fall into one of two categories: either a deeply redesigned evolution of the 5.0 Coyote, or an entirely new modular V8 architecture built for the next decade. Most experts, though, lean toward a next-generation Coyote-based design, but with so many changes that it basically becomes a new engine. Why is that? Well, the Coyote platform already offers proven durability, excellent aftermarket and manufacturing familiarity, and it fits perfectly with Ford's modular engine strategy. Still, nearly every major system is expected to be updated. Let's talk about expected displacement and architecture. While the exact displacement hasn't been confirmed yet, engineers expect the 2027 V8 to stay pretty close to 5 liters, maybe ranging between 4.8 and 5.2 liters, depending on emissions targets and hybrid integration. Some key architectural expectations include an aluminum block with reinforced main bearing structures, revised bore and stroke for better low-end torque, a stronger rotating assembly to handle hybrid torque loads, and improved oiling pathways for sustained high-load operation. Experts point out that modern V8 design is really less about raw size these days and more about combustion efficiency and thermal control. Hybrid integration is, honestly, the game-changer for the V8. One of the most important changes expected for the 2027 Ford F-150 V8 is hybrid compatibility. Ford has already shown with PowerBoost that hybrid systems can boost towing, torque, and drivability. Engineers believe the next V8 will be designed from the ground up to work alongside a compact electric motor right in the transmission, a modest battery pack focused on torque, fill, and efficiency, and regenerative braking that's actually optimized for towing situations. Instead of replacing the V8's character, hybridization would just enhance it, giving you instant torque off the line while letting the engine run in its most efficient RPM range. According to powertrain experts, this approach could improve fuel economy by 15 to 25%, cut emissions without downsizing, increase towing stability and throttle response, and still meet the horsepower and torque expectations folks have come to expect. While Ford probably won't go after those extreme numbers, experts are expecting the 2027 V8 to offer some real gains right where truck buyers are actually going to notice them. So, predicted output ranges, yeah, those are looking like 420 to 460 horsepower and 450 to 520 pound-feet of torque. But honestly, what's even more important than just those peak numbers is how that torque gets delivered. Engineers are saying the new V8 will most likely focus on stronger low RPM torque, a flatter torque curve, and better throttle modulation when you're under load. That, lines up perfectly with how trucks are actually used in the real world. Whether that's towing, hauling, heading off-road, or just getting the daily work done. Advanced combustion and fuel efficiency improvements are really at the heart of what's coming next. Experts believe the 2027 V8 will feature significant combustion improvements, including next-generation direct injection with higher pressure injectors, revised combustion chamber geometry for faster, cleaner burns, improved variable valve timing with wider adjustment ranges, and cylinder deactivation that's been refined to be smoother and more reliable. Cylinder deactivation, once controversial, has matured significantly. Engineers now see it as a necessary tool, not just a gimmick, especially when it's paired with hybrid systems that mask transitions seamlessly, addressing those old V8 concerns head-on. Ford is, well aware of the long-standing criticisms related to V8 engines, including oil consumption, valve train wear, and cold start noise. Experts strongly believe the 2027 V8 will directly address these issues through revised piston ring designs, improved valve guide materials, stronger cam phaser locking mechanisms, and enhanced oil pressure control at low RPM. Ford's recent engine updates show a clear pattern fix the root cause, not just the symptom. Built for longevity, not just performance. One consistent theme from engineers is durability. The 2027 F-150 V8 is expected to be engineered with longer service intervals, improved cooling for sustained towing, reinforced exhaust manifolds to prevent cracking, and better heat shielding for underhood components. This really matters to truck owners who plan to keep their vehicles well beyond 150,000 miles. So, how does the new V8 fit into Ford's bigger strategy? Ford's future is not electric only, at least not yet. Experts believe the company's strategy revolves around powertrain diversity, offering customers multiple solutions rather than forcing just one path. In that context, the V8 serves a critical role. It anchors the lineup emotionally, supports heavy-use customers, and differentiates Ford from brands that are abandoning V8s entirely.